Glitter is the herpes of makeup, I was told one time.
Yeah, because it's there for like weeks on end.
It's there forever.
And so you'll never know when it'll come back.
Everything. Hey everyone, I'm Kristen Gill, and I'm a professional makeup artist along with working here at ET.
Hi guys, I'm Sissy Vorstall. I'm a features producer, but on top of that, I'm a makeup enthusiast and kind of a YouTube trained makeup person.
Sissy and I are huge fans, along with so many other people, of the makeup on Euphoria. Donnie Davy does the makeup on the show, and it's amazing. It's so beautiful and colorful, and we're going to be doing this look right here as a challenge. We've not done it on ourselves at all prior to this.
I'm not sure about the foil.
I know, that's going to be the hardest part, yeah.
But, I mean, we'll be here for...
I know. Moral support. I can see your outline because you're neon right now.
So the students, actors, people in this show, they're all high school students. So you roughly only have about 30 minutes to complete each of these looks before you gotta head out and go to class, go to school, all that good stuff. So we're limiting ourselves to only 30 minutes to attempt this flawless look today. In order to up the challenge, we've also designated ourselves to only certain price budget products. So I'm only doing drugstore.
And I'm using high-end.
3, 2, go.
Oh my god, it's happening. Okay. I'm like already worried. This feels like a chef show where I'm supposed to be cooking this amazing meal, but it's on my face.
We have prepped our skin already. I have foundation and concealer on. Both foundations that I used today are above $40.
I'm starting off with my brows because I don't want the fallout of the glitter to happen in the shadow because it's entirely different metal color. So the brows are all gold with gold foil, and then the eyes themselves are like this really cool corally pink. How are things, Kristen?
Things are, you know, going. I've got my headband on. I wear this every time I do my makeup at my house. So I was like, do you mind if I bring my ears? Because they're essential. And I'm using a little bit of Dior brow gel because it looks like she has a little bit of something in her brows. Glitter is under $40 usually, unless you're using like, I don't know, Swarovski crystals and things like that. I'm just gonna take it out of my pretty Erica Jane Too Faced palette, and I'm just using a spoolie with this glitter. Just a little bit, because I think she has the metal in the brows too. Just stick that in there while it's wet.
So currently, I'm dipping into my ColourPop Yes Please palette. So I'm using a mixture of Big Cocktails and Spoiled, and I'm doing a little mixture of that with a little bit of GNO. And as I'm going towards the shadow, the base of my eyelid, I'm using darker colors to give it that gradient, because as it comes closer in, it just gets a little bit darker.
Euphoria has really made it acceptable for people to wear like crazy looks out in public. Because you can do that as a makeup enthusiast, you know, like rock a bold blue liner or hot pink, which was like already kind of starting. Danessa Myricks, actually, she kind of started that before Euphoria even came out, and bold looks were being done by like Kendall Jenner, but like everyday people weren't rocking that. And since, you know, Euphoria came out, it's like it's normal now. I feel like they've kind of made it
the new norm.
Cool. I'm using Dollface in the outer corners and just blending it a little bit out because I needed a little bit of a brighter pink happening.
And then I think I'm gonna take my Big Cocktails, my GNO, and a little splash of Juvia and just start kind of bringing it down, because in the photo it looks like she's just kind of engulfing all of her eyeball, like with the color. So I just kind of want to slowly work the product down below.
I did bring the Eyes to Mesmerize Rose Gold down, like almost how you would your concealer, right down here in an upside down triangle.
I'm just gonna get my brush a little bit wet so that some of the stuff kind of looks, because she ends up jumping in the pool at the end of, like, the end of this episode. She jumps into the pool, so give it a little bit of like a wet touch.
I'm gonna pull out one of these. This is an aerosol highlight spray from Patrick Ta. People don't know how to use this, so I'm just going to show you how to spray this. This is the We Need Her Gold Pearl Highlighting Spray. It is amazing. And it looks like Hunter has some highlight underneath her foil situation, a little bit on the forehead. It like hits her brow and right here. Okay, then it's not on the eye. And then she has it on the forehead, so I'm going to get that right there. Let that set.
I just have to do that line, like that line.
Same. I'm going for the
that
line. All right, spraying this Christopher Buckle Power Lock Spray. This ish is the tit. It's like hairspray. And I'm using that and a little pencil brush to create this line because it's wet, so I want to make sure it looks wet, it looks metallic. The line that goes straight down Jules' face. So I'm going to dip my little pencil brush in there. I've got Rose Gold and Queen E on the Erica Jane palette, and I'm just bringing it on my little palette and making a concoction.
I'm using a small Sigma Beauty angled brush and a Stila liquid eyeshadow that's like a metallic color. It's like in the color Kitten.
I think I need a lighter shade, so I'm using Bubbly.
Okay, and I'm starting to mess with the foil with tweezers. Bless that I have these tweezers because I'm shaking like a leaf.
Hashtag blessed.
So if you're looking at the actual look, it's like broken up pieces of foil. They're not like fully like square or like specific shapes. They look pretty like beaten up. So I'm just gonna cut and pull. I brought my little scissors. Do you notice that it's kind of in like a wing shape on her eye? I'm just like, oh, we're doing a shape now. Cool.
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 No big deal.
It's fine.
It's all good.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. We're fine.
We are using the same foil.
We're not
Foil's
trying to
not
get
that
actual
expensive.
gold. We're putting it on my face and I'm trying to be so still. What are you doing? I'm hearing sounds.
No. Just cooking over here.
Are you Morse coding
Cooking
out?
with
Help.
Kristen. Yeah, I'm like, help. Okay, I'm
this
using
is a
a
mess.
clear glue. This is the Ben Nye glitter glue, and it is
Ooh,
a beast to open. Got it.
I'm ripping off more shreds because I feel like I don't have enough.
And then I'm just going to put on my palette right on top of that
Oh
shimmer.
my god.
You
I
got
did
this?
the biggest breath and like they're all over the
Oh my god.
floor.
And they blew everywhere.
Yes.
No wind tunnels.
Okay. Here she is. Here she goes. Oh my god.
going.
What am I doing? Okay.
I'm going right in. I'm going to regret this, I'm sure, with this glue on my face.
How are her pieces so small?
Almost like butterfly wings. Okay, I think mascara is the only thing, and lip is the only thing we
Yeah.
have left. So, like, we can do this, sissy.
Can we though?
I don't know. I'm like, oh, wait,
I have
actually
no
this worked
shape.
out.
Like my things have no shape. They're just like speckled. They're like a speckled eye. I'm starting on the other eye because I'm frustrated with the first eye. So I'm just gonna move on. Build a bridge.
Get over
Cross that. Glue is drying. Pieces are flying over the
Okay.
place.
Done with that side. Okay, we have 10 more minutes, and my eye is watering. I don't think you're supposed to put the glue right that close to your freaking eye.
Oh god.
No!
I just need it to stick. I'm at that point where I just need something to stick to my face.
Okay, well, you're done with one eye, so.
Kind of. Hold on, how
Oh.
much time do we have, Kristen?
What?
How much time do we
We
have?
probably have like 5 minutes. We probably exceeded our time.
So the look is like based off of Romeo
Yeah, Romeo and Juliet,
which
right?
is really cool, like Claire Danes' version. So everything's like super ethereal, super pink, super washed. So I'm using like a really cute pinky lip to just kind of tie everything together, hopefully.
Okay, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Bosworth's Beauty. And I'm just going to bounce it on the lip because it doesn't look like she has much of anything.
Oh, there's flecks in the brows. No. No.
Yeah, there's flex in the brows, girl. And Full Fat Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. Good night, sissy.
Oh my god. This is like, ew, I don't want to put it in my brows. Ew.
Good luck with that.
I know. I'm gonna have to be using like the most intense oils tonight. Just like re-cleanse my face and my body. Oh, I hate this adhesive glue.
All right. Okay. 10,
Oh my god.
9,
Oh my god.
8,
Oh my god.
7,
It's real.
6,
It's real.
5,
Oh my god.
4,
Oh lord.
3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Brush this down.
It's over? What are you doing? I can see you.
I was highlighting my nose. She has like a little bit of like a tint there.
She does. Okay, sissy, I need to see your face.
Yeah, you talk a big
'Cause-
game.
No, you
Professional
you're over here-
makeup artist.
Yeah, I know, shoot. I'm like, maybe I shouldn't have said that. I've never done makeup before in my life.
I'm nervous.
Move that wall!
Oh my god. You
No,
got the little pieces. I'm so mad.
Your line in the middle is so much better.
Thank you.
Oh my god, and your brows. Okay, what side's your good side? Your right side, do you think you did the best? Okay, you guys, let us know who you think won this challenge. This face challenge. Euphoria. Makeup. Who won?
Face off.
I think I won.
Honestly, I did. I think we both won in the game of Euphoria in a sense that we both tried something new,
right?
which is really fun.
I love it. I'm going to be wearing this the rest of the day.
Same. But let us know. Honestly, let us know. Was it
won.
drugstore?
High end? What do you think?
Do you have a bias because your budget? Because I do. So mine won.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.